Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. My name is Goodluck. In this video, I will show you how to simplify the two exponential expressions given to us, and we will go through it step by step. Let's dive into it. The first thing you do is express the numerator and the denominator as the power of their base. So we have here that this will be written as 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 raised to the power of 4, or raised to the power of 3 divided by 4. Now at this point, what we do here is to spread of the powers in both the numerator and the denominator. So we have 2 raised to the power of 4, or raised to the power of 3 divided by 4, divided by 3 raised to the power of 4, or to the power of 3 divided by 4. Now, if you watch, at this point, we establish that in power law, the indices will multiply themselves. So therefore, 4 we cancel out 4, and 4 here we cancel out 4. So we'll be left with 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power of 3. And 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8, and 3 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 27. This is your answer. Now we'll look into the number 2 question. Number 2 question says that 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 25 raised to the power of x minus 1, all divided by 125 raised to the power of x plus 1. Now the first thing we do here again is to express 25 and 125 as the power of their base. So we write that this will be 5x times 5 raised to the power of 2 x minus 1 divided by 5 raised to the power of 3 x plus 1. So at this point, we will have to simplify the index. So here we will use 2 to multiply x minus 1, and we'll use 3 to multiply x plus 1. If we do that, we will arrive at 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. At the denominator, we have 5. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, at the numerator, we have base 5. So we can add up the powers. We have that 5 raised to the power of x plus 2x minus 2, all divided by 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 3. Now from our numerator, we will have that 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 2 divided by 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 3. From the division law of indices, we can be able to write that 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 2 minus 3x plus 3. So if we simplify our index, we have 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 2. Minus times 3x is negative 3x. Minus times plus 3 is negative 3. So from here, minus 3 and plus 3 we cancel out. We'll be left with 5 raised to the power of negative 5. From our negative power law, we can express this as 1 divided by 5 all to the power of 5. That is the answer. Congratulations. I just walk you through on how to simplify these two exponential expressions. If you found value in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Drop a comment on any step you did not understand, and I will be willing to assist you. Share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.